Hello, fellow travelers! Today we're setting our sights on a little slice of paradise nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, Malta. This enchanting archipelago is not just a destination, it's an experience that will captivate your senses and leave you yearning for more. This archipelago nation, with its sun-drenched shores, captivating history, and vibrant culture, promises an unforgettable adventure for every kind of traveler. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or a foodie, Malta has something special in store for you. Get ready to be enchanted by ancient cities, crystal-clear waters, and a warmth that extends beyond the sun's rays. The ancient city of Medina, with its narrow streets and stunning architecture, will transport you back in time. Meanwhile, the azure waters of Camino beckon you to dive in and explore their underwater wonders. Malta is a melting pot of cultures, having been ruled by everyone from the Phoenicians to the Romans, Arabs, Knights of St. John, and the British. Each of these civilizations has left an indelible mark on the islands, creating a unique blend of traditions and influences that you won't find anywhere else. This rich tapestry of influences is woven into the very fabric of the islands, evident in their architecture, language, cuisine, and traditions. From the honey-colored limestone buildings to the bustling street markets offering delectable Maltese cuisine, every corner of Malta tells a story. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and join me as we embark on a journey to discover the charm of Malta. Whether you're exploring the historical ruins, enjoying a cultural festival, or simply soaking up the sun on a pristine beach, Malta promises a journey filled with unforgettable moments and cherished memories. Malta's history stretches back millennia, leaving behind an awe-inspiring legacy of ancient temples, imposing fortifications, and charming villages. It's a place where the echoes of the past resonate in the present, creating a truly unique atmosphere. From the mysterious megalithic temples of Hagar Kim and Menasdra, older than Stonehenge and the Egyptian pyramids, to the grand fortifications of Valletta, built by the Knights of St. John, you'll be transported through time. Wander through narrow, winding streets, uncover hidden courtyards, and let the stories of Malta's past unfold before your eyes. Our first stop is Valletta, Malta's pint-sized capital and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This fortified city, built by the Knights of St. John in the 16th century, is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture, with imposing bastions, grand palaces, and ornate churches. Stroll along Republic Street, Valletta's main thoroughfare, and admire the grandeur of St. John's Co-Cathedral, home to Caravaggio's masterpiece, The Beheading of St. John. Don't miss the Upper Baracca Gardens, offering breathtaking views of the Grand Harbor and the three cities across the water. Just across the Grand Harbor from Valletta lie the three cities, Vittoriosa, Senglea, and Cospicua. These fortified towns, older than Valletta, offer a glimpse into Malta's past, with their charming harbors, narrow streets, and traditional houses. Take a leisurely walk along the waterfront promenades, soak up the local atmosphere at a traditional cafe, or explore the historic forts and churches that dot the landscape. For a unique perspective, hop on a traditional Maltese degaggia boat for a harbor cruise. Venturing inland, we arrive at Medina, the silent city. This enchanting place, with its rich history and serene atmosphere, invites you to step back in time. This ancient walled city, perched atop a hill, was once Malta's capital and exudes an air of timeless elegance. Its fortified walls and historic buildings tell stories of a bygone era, where knights and nobles once roamed. Cars are restricted, allowing you to wander its narrow, cobbled streets in peace, discovering hidden courtyards and stunning views at every turn. The silence here is almost palpable, broken only by the occasional clip-clop of horse-drawn carriages. Visit St. Paul's Cathedral, said to be built on the site where the Apostle Paul sought refuge after being shipwrecked on the island. The cathedral's intricate architecture and serene interior offer a glimpse into the island's spiritual heritage. Don't miss the panoramic views from the city walls, stretching across the island's countryside to the distant sea. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the island's natural beauty and the strategic importance of Medina throughout history. Malta's beauty extends far beyond its historic cities. The archipelago is blessed with a stunning coastline, boasting hidden coves, dramatic cliffs, and some of the clearest waters in the Mediterranean. Explore the Blue Grotto, a series of sea caves bathed in an ethereal blue light, or take a boat trip to the Blue Lagoon on the island of Camino, renowned for its crystal-clear turquoise waters and white sands, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and simply soaking up the sun. For those seeking the classic beach experience, Malta doesn't disappoint. From long stretches of golden sand to secluded rocky coves, there's a beach for every taste. Melilla Bay, the island's largest sandy beach, offers plenty of space for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Golden Bay, true to its name, boasts golden sands and clear waters, perfect for a relaxing day by the sea. For a more secluded experience, head to Paradise Bay, tucked away in the north of the island. For underwater enthusiasts, Malta is a paradise waiting to be explored. The clear, warm waters surrounding the islands are home to an abundance of marine life, shipwrecks, and underwater caves, offering unforgettable diving experiences for all levels. Dive the wreck of the HMS Maori, a World War II destroyer sunk just outside Valletta's Grand Harbor, or explore the underwater caves and arches of Turquoise, teeming with marine life. With numerous diving centers and experienced guides available, you're sure to have an unforgettable underwater adventure. Welcome to a gastronomic adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. No trip to Malta is complete without savoring the flavors of its unique cuisine. The island's culinary heritage is a rich tapestry woven from the threads of its diverse history. Influenced by centuries of different cultures, Maltese food is a delightful fusion of Mediterranean and Arabic flavors, with fresh seafood, sun-ripened vegetables, and aromatic herbs taking center stage. The vibrant markets are brimming with fresh produce, and the local chefs take pride in using these ingredients to create mouth-watering dishes. Indulge in fennec, a national dish, or try lampuki pie, a seasonal delicacy. Fennec, a hearty rabbit stew, is a must-try for meat lovers, while lampuki pie, made with the island's seasonal fish, offers a taste of the sea. Don't miss out on pastizi, savory pastries filled with ricotta cheese or mushy peas, a popular local snack. These flaky pastries are perfect for a quick bite on the go or a leisurely snack at a cafe. And be sure to wash it all down with Kinnie, Malta's very own bitter orange soda. This refreshing drink, with its unique blend of bitter and sweet, perfectly complements the island's rich and varied cuisine. Whether you're dining at a high-end restaurant or enjoying street food, Malta's culinary offerings are sure to leave a lasting impression. Whether you're seeking luxurious indulgence or budget-friendly comfort, Malta offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every taste and budget. Splurge on a stay at one of Valletta's boutique hotels, housed in beautifully restored historic buildings, or opt for a luxurious resort overlooking the azure waters. For a more intimate and authentic experience, choose a guest house or farmhouse stay in the countryside, offering a taste of local life. As our journey through Malta comes to an end, I hope you've been as captivated by its charm as I am. From its ancient history and stunning landscapes to its warm hospitality and delicious cuisine, Malta is a destination that truly has it all. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Maltese adventure today and discover the magic of this Mediterranean gem for yourself. Until next time, happy travels!